Imagine a horizon where the spirit of innovation meets the enduring flame of national pride. Picture vast research labs bathed in the glow of possibility, where scientists and engineers tackle challenges with relentless determination. This is a journey that begins with a call to adventure, a moment when American ingenuity dared to dream big and transform the impossible into the everyday. In every spark of invention, from the whisper of the telephone first spoken in 1876 to the hum of computers linking billions around the globe, the story of America unfolds. It is a story of trials, teamwork, and triumph. In the dawning days of innovation, visionaries like Alexander Graham Bell and Thomas Edison emboldened a nation with ideas that reshaped reality. Their breakthroughs ignited a revolutionary light, extending productive hours and connecting communities once separated by vast distances. These early pioneers carved a path forward, not without struggles, but with unwavering courage. Under the shimmer of the American flag, a single idea in a modest lab grew into a movement that would light up the future. Their legacy reminds us that every significant invention begins with a bold dream and the audacity to bring it to life. As the wheel of progress turned, challenges emerged like towering mountains on the path to discovery. The assembly line, innovated by Henry Ford in 1913, taught us that revolutionizing manufacturing required more than mechanical ingenuity. It demanded a rethinking of process and purpose. Factories became arenas where persistence battled inefficiency, and teamwork molded raw ideas into affordable, life-changing products. In these bustling spaces, American workers and inventors forged a future that made automobiles common, proving that progress lies at the intersection of daring ambition and collective effort. Each setback refined their resolve, and every failure turned into a stepping stone for future success. The early trials did not end with industrial innovation. In 1903, the Wright brothers defied gravity, setting the stage for a new era of aviation that would forever alter our view of the world. Their fragile aircraft soared above barren fields and imagined dreams, carrying with it the weight of hope and the promise of boundless future travels. Every gust of wind and every flutter of an early wing reminded us that even the skies are within our reach when guided by perseverance. Against the backdrop of a proud nation, their flight symbolized the power to overcome limitations, a powerful testament to American resilience and the endless pursuit of excellence. The spirit of invention surged forward into the modern era, where stars and circuits replaced gears and steam. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, expanded our view of the cosmos and invited us to contemplate the wonders of the universe. It peered into the depths of space to reveal secrets of cosmic origins and distant galaxies. Each pixel of discovery in the telescope's intricate images carries a story of human curiosity, meticulous research, and the unfaltering drive to understand the universe. This awe-inspiring journey reminds us that in American research labs, ambition knows no bounds, and every probe reaches eternities beyond the familiar. Science and technology have often walked hand in hand with monumental challenges that inspire even greater breakthroughs. In 2024, Google's quantum computer, Willow, shattered conventional limits by solving an intricate problem in just 5 minutes. A problem that would have taken even the fastest supercomputers an astronomical number of years to unravel. This leap forward in quantum computing illustrates the boundless potential of America's creative mind. It is a story where friction between old limitations and new ideas sparks innovation, and where the resolve of experts transforms obstacles into stepping stones. In research labs and tech startups nationwide, teams battle through complexity, fueled by the enduring pursuit of progress. But behind every spectacular technological feat lies an enduring narrative of struggle. The Global Positioning System, developed by the U.S. Department of Defense, is one such marvel that revolutionized how we navigate our world. Conceived amid strategic necessity, GPS evolved into an indispensable tool that threads our daily lives together. Its story is one of persistent iteration, where trials on military testing grounds laid the foundation for civilian utility. Against the backdrop of a resolute national ethos, American inventiveness transformed a military asset into a technology that guides every journey, from cross-country road trips to the precision of modern smartphones. Here, innovation is not just technical progress, it is a quiet pledge to better everyday life for all. In the realm of communication, few inventions have had as transformative an impact as the telephone. Bell's revolutionary device broke through the limitations of distance, allowing voices to traverse continents in moments. This innovation was not merely about sending sound over wires, it was about building connections, nurturing relationships, and knitting a rapidly expanding nation together. Over time, the telephone evolved into a global telecommunications network, a vibrant lifeline that has grown from a single call to a symphony of voices, each contributing to a tapestry of innovation and collective progress. Here, the American spirit revealed its willingness to bridge divides and embrace the future with open arms. The narrative of American innovation is also written in the language of music and creativity. In the 1950s, the electric guitar emerged as a symbol of cultural transformation. It shattered conventional barriers in music, giving birth to new genres and empowering voices that would define generations. American engineers and artists discovered that technology could amplify not only sound, but also the power of self-expression. The iconic riff of a guitar echoed alongside the hum of budding computer technology, each note a reminder that creativity is as integral to progress as is scientific discovery. This creative spark fuels ambition and paves the way for a future where art and technology coalesce into dynamic progress. Throughout these chapters of innovation, the American flag stands tall, a timeless emblem of hope, sacrifice, and relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. It waves above state-of-the-art laboratories, bustling tech hubs, and massive engineering feats alike. Every flutter of red, white, and blue tells a story of challenges met with determination and dreams met with success. This flag is not just a symbol. It is a living reminder that every scientific breakthrough and every technological marvel is rooted in a deep well of national pride. It calls upon the pioneers of yesterday and inspires the innovators of tomorrow to honor the past by forging an even brighter future. Every breakthrough has come with its moments of doubt and difficulty, yet each trial forged the character that continues to define American innovation. Laboratories have wrestled with complexity, and small startups have blossomed into global hubs of creativity. This journey is not solely about the celebrated successes. It is about the countless nights of hard work, the setbacks overcome by a determined few, and the collective will to push the boundaries of what is known. The pathway has been rutted with challenge, but each challenge met and each obstacle defied resonates with the heartbeat of a nation that believes nothing is impossible. As we stand at the crossroads of history and the future, visions of tomorrow cascade over us like a radiant sunrise. Modern engineering marvels build upon the wisdom of past innovators and pave the golden roads of the future. From breakthrough research labs designing next-generation technology to dynamic tech startups developing solutions for global challenges, the spirit of innovation thrives in every corner of the nation. Day by day, America reaffirms its place as a beacon of creativity and resilience, a land where every challenge is a precursor to a breakthrough, and every small step anticipates giant leaps forward. In this moment of reflection, we honor the countless minds whose perseverance has lit the path of progress. We celebrate those who dared to imagine a better world and were not deterred by failure, or limitation. With each invention, every improvement to technology, and every courageous risk undertaken in the name of discovery, America's story is enriched. It is a story that unites the audacity of the past with the promise of the future, fostering a culture of hope, determination, and unyielding progress. This journey through time and technology is more than a recounting of historical marvels. It is an invitation to participate in a legacy of greatness. The trials, the teamwork, and the triumphs create a narrative that inspires each of us to embrace the entrepreneurial spirit. When faced with obstacles, look to the shining examples of our pioneers. Let their struggles and ultimate victories remind you of what can be accomplished when courage meets innovation. Today, as you witness dynamic laboratories, cutting-edge startups, and breathtaking engineering feats, remember that each achievement is a testament to a nation defined by its relentless pursuit of betterment. As our journey nears its close, we reflect on the transformative power of innovation and the undying flame of American pride. The inspiring progress from the incandescent bulb to the digital age is a reminder that our destiny is shaped by those bold enough to challenge the status quo. With every discovery and every breakthrough, America writes another chapter in the grand narrative of technological marvel. Each success story is an ode to the spirit that refuses to be confined by what is known and dares to explore what lies beyond. Here, in every lab and every workshop, the future is reinvented with every passing moment. In the brilliant glow of innovation, we discover that progress is not the result of solitary genius, but the culmination of collective effort. It is the triumph of teamwork over isolation, of collaborative vision over singular doubt. With each victory, the community of innovators grows stronger, their collective spirit reflected in every gleaming piece of modern technology. This united force is the bedrock of American excellence. Every achievement is a shared celebration, a moment when minds come together to transform challenges into stepping stones toward a brighter, more connected future. Today, as we stand poised on the brink of new discoveries, we carry forward the legacy of those who paved the way. American innovation continues to shape our world, driving progress in every field from quantum computing to space exploration. Each landmark achievement, like Willow solving previously insurmountable problems in minutes, reaffirms our belief in a limitless future. It is a journey of heart and resilience, painted in hues of red, white, and blue. The trials have been many, but the victories are sweeter for them, and they beckon the next generation to continue the quest for excellence. As our story concludes, let the images of research labs humming with activity, the gleam of modern technology, and the proud flutter of the American flag inspire you. The legacy of innovation is not confined to the past, but is an ever-evolving testament to human ingenuity. It calls to those with courage, curiosity, and the determination to break barriers. With each breakthrough, we are reminded that progress is a journey built on hard work, resilience, and unwavering belief in the future. Join us in celebrating the spirit of American innovation that continues to shape our world and inspire future generations.